Hi guys, now our project is password based door locking system using embedded C. First of all, open the Kiel microvision. I already opened it. This is the Kiel microvision version 5.0. Okay, let's get into the project. Open project tab, new project. Okay, give the title of the project. Door locking. Okay, here we select the microprocessor. We use the 8051 microprocessor. Then we have several manufacturers here. We select the generic. Here, this is the generic. Here, open. This is the 80 microcontroller. Select. Okay. No. Okay. Open new file. Okay. First of all, save this. Save as door locking dot c. Okay. First of all, hash include register register 51.h. This is the header file of overall 8051 microcontroller family. And we set the bits. Here we have the keyboard and LCD screen and one motor. First set the keypad pins. As bit R1 is equal to R1 means row. First row is connected to P 2.0 and copy. Next, enter. Control V. We have 4 rows. We have 4 rows. 2.0. Row 1 is connected to 2.0. Row 2 is connected to 2.1. Row 3 is connected to 2.2. Row 4 is connected to 2.3. This 2.0, 2.1, 2.0, this is a port 2. And next, column pins. This bit C1 is equal to P 3.0. We have three columns here. Copy, paste, enter. We have three columns. Column 1 connected to 3.0, column 2 connected to 3.1, and column 3 connected to 3.2. Okay. Here then we declare the motor pins as bit. Motor have 2 pins. One is positive end, another one is negative end. Positive end is declared as P1. Mode P1 is equal to P 3.3 But second end pin is declared as P2, is connected to P3.4, P3.4. Okay, next declare the LED connections. S bit, RS register select pin is connected to P3.5. RW pin read and write pin is connected to P3.6, and finally enable pin is connected to P3.7. Okay, we declare all pin here. Then we declare some function. Okay, void LCD CMD. This is a LCD command function. LCD CMD. This is a LCD command function. It has one argument. Unsigned char, and another function LCD data. LCD data. It is also have one argument. Unsigned char. Okay, another with display function. Display the string wide LCD display. This is the string display function. Unsigned char q. Name is string name is q. Enter. Okay, we have the keypad function. This keypad function is written the some character main function. Then we have this function has return type char keypad, and it has no argument. And another function. Okay, we use the password check function. Void check. This function is used for checking the password, and the password is correct or not. Next, delay function. Why delay? It has arguments. One argument. That's an integer argument. Unsigned int. We are here declare one array for the password. This is the array. Our password is 1 2 3 4 5. These five digits are the password. Because here we declare the another array for the user password. Unsigned character array for the entered password epin. We declare it as a epin. Okay, next we enter into the main function void main. Before declare the main commands, we write the another functions. Here we write the first we write the delay function. Void delay. It has one argument, unsigned integer j. We declare two integers here, a and b for the loops for loop a is equal to 0, a less than j, a plus plus. This is the function, and we declared here self loop for b is equal to 0, b less than or equal to some numbers 10. We declared here 10 loops. B okay, this is the self loop, this for loop is the self loop. Okay, next we declare the lcd command function, else void lcd command. It has one argument, unsigned character a. This character is connected to port 1 p1, rs is equal to 0, rw is equal to 0, enable pin also initially high, and some delay. Close, and enable pin is now low here. Okay, lcd command function is closed. Now we write lcd data function. We void lcd dat. We have an argument unsigned char high. This high is connected to port 1. rs is equal to high here, high, rw is low, enable pin is high initially, and some delay. Enable pin is low, Okay, void date function is completed. Void display function. Void display LCD disk. It have one array. Unsigned character array. Char q. We declare one integer k. We declare for loop. K is equal to 0. Q of k not equal to null character increment the k. LCD data function here. This LCD data function is used to display the character in LCD. Q. This loop is used for the display the character by character in LCD screen. On some delay. Close the function. Okay, now we enter into the keypad function. This keypad function is return the character, then we where the return type. Character is the return type. Char keypad. Okay, and x is equal to 0. While x equal to 0, R1 is low, R2 is high, R3 is also high, R4 is also high now. If C1 column 1 is equal to low, then we enter into the if function. LCD data display. We can't display the password number here. We display the character here. That's a star character. Declare some delay here. Unclose the x is equal to high. Here we return the one character, that is 1. Return 1. If we press the 1 in keypad, just store the 1 in the pin entered array. Close. Then we have 12 numbers. Okay, then we create the 12 if functions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 if functions. If column is equal, row is equal to 0 and column is equal to 0, then we return the number 1 pin entered array, and column 2 is equal to 0, then we return the number 2, column 3 is equal to 0, and we return the number 3 to the pin entered array. Okay, then close the row 1. R1 is equal to high, R2, now R2 is equal to low, 0, R3 is equal to 1 high, R4 is equal to 1 high. First row 2 0 and column 1 is also 0, then we return the number 4, column 2 is 0, and we return the number 5, column 3 is equal to 0, then we return the number 6. Then here also we R1 is high, R2 is also high. Now R3, here R3 is row 3 is low, R4 is also high. Row 3 is 0 and column 1 is 0, then we return number 7, column 2 is equal to 0, number 8, column 3 is equal to 0, number 9. Now here declare we enter into the row 4 and columns. R1 is high, R2 is high, R3 is high. Now R4 is low. Zero. Here we display star. Row column 2 display restore 0. Column 3 equal to 0, declare hash. This is the keypad function. Close. Next finally we check the password. Check function. Void check, and we are here compare every character in the array. Then we use if function. If pin zero equal to entered pin of 0 and this is the first character in the array compared to the entered pin array. Four, 5. Okay. Check. Number 1. Second character compared to the second character, comparing 3 the okay, curly brackets, okay, and then right, okay, then we declare some delay function here, delay of 1000. Next, LCD command function for the clear screen, (0x01). Command function of 0x81 is displaying the row 1 second column of LCD display the string here, pin correct, after compare here we display pin correct string, some delay, of 1000, then open the door now, then we control the motor P1 is high now, motor P2 is low, P2 is a pin 2 is low here, and now enter into the LCD second row, LCD CMD 0x1. This is the second row command of the LCD. We display the some string, LCD display of lock opened, or some delay here, delay of now motors rotating, door open, motor P1 is equal to 1 high, motor P2 is equal to low, and clear the screen now, LCD CMD 0x01. This is command for the clear screen of LCD, close, else else lcd command of clear screen 0x01 and lcd command of first of lcd 0x80 display something string here lcd display or on the wrong pin close and we declare some delay here, delay of and clear the screen now. lcd cmd 0x01 close. Now step function was clear and into the main function. Now we declare some commands. lcd command of zero x 0f lcd on cursor blinking lcd cmd of 0x38. This is for the 2 lines and 5 into 7 cross matrix. Now clear screen. Now let's write the while function. While 0 1 unsigned int x0. Then write the lcd command lcd command 0x80 for the first column of the first row of the lcd. Here display display some string lcd display enter password semicolon some delay lcd command 0x c0 for the second row of the lcd. Then we write another while loop here, while loop of pin of first character. This is the loop for storing the entered pin from the keypad. Not equal to null character e pin of I equal to keypad function some delay increment I value close. Then we call the check function here, check and close the main. Finally we complete the program. Okay, now open the target file, source group, add the source group on exiting file, door locking, add, close. Okay, check here. Okay, door locking dot is added and target one left. Okay, here we declare the frequency 11.0592 megahertz or output. Okay, create the hex file, tick and okay. Now build the target, open project tab, build target. Okay, now 0 errors, 3 warnings. Okay, this is the program for the door logging system. Thank you.